Hey there, health-conscious friends. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be exploring an incredible way to boost your vision and overall eye health through the power of juicing. I'm thrilled to share a mouth-watering, nutrient-packed juice recipe that can work wonders for your eyesight. So grab your juicer and let's dive right in. Before we get into the juicy details, let's take a moment to discuss why maintaining good eye health is so crucial, especially in today's fast-paced, screen-filled world. Our eyes are among the most vital organs in our bodies, allowing us to see and experience the beauty around us. However, with our modern lifestyle, we often expose our eyes to a lot of stress. Whether it's from staring at computer screens, scrolling through smartphones, or simply being exposed to environmental factors like pollution and UV rays, all of these can take a toll on our eyes over time, leading to issues such as 1. Dry eyes, 2. Blurred vision, 3. Eye fatigue, 4. Headaches, 5. Increased risk of cataracts and glaucoma. That's why it's more important than ever to take proactive steps to protect and nourish our eyes. A diet rich in eye-friendly nutrients is one of the most effective ways to support our vision and eye health. Juicing is an excellent method to pack a variety of nutrients into one delicious, easy-to-consume beverage. Certain fruits and vegetables are particularly beneficial for eye health due to their high content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These essential nutrients play a crucial role in keeping your eyes in top condition. Let's take a closer look at some of the key nutrients that your eyes need. 1. Vitamin A. Vital for maintaining clear vision, particularly in low light, and for preventing night blindness. 2. Vitamin C. A powerful antioxidant that shields the eyes from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause cell damage. 3. Vitamin E. Another potent antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress, which can lead to eye diseases. 4. Zinc. An essential mineral that plays a key role in the formation of visual pigments in the retina, the light-sensitive layer at the back of the eye. 5. Lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants are found in high concentrations in the retina, where they help filter out harmful blue light and protect against age-related macular degeneration. By incorporating these nutrients into your diet, particularly through juicing, you can give your eyes the support they need to stay healthy and function at their best. Now let's get to the exciting part. Our vision-enhancing juice recipe. This delightful blend is packed with ingredients that are not only delicious but also loaded with eye-boosting nutrients. 1. 2 carrots. 2. 1 cup of spinach. 3. 1 cup of kale. 4. 1 orange. 5. 1-inch piece of ginger. 6. 1 small beet. 7. 1 cup of water. 1. Start by washing and prepping your ingredients. 1. Peel the carrots and orange and chop them into pieces that will fit through your juicer's feed tube. 2. Feed the ingredients through your juicer one by one, starting with the leafy greens, like spinach and kale, followed by the carrots, orange, ginger, and beet. 3. If the juice is too thick, feel free to add a cup of water to thin it out for a smoother, more refreshing drink. 4. Stir the juice well and enjoy it immediately to reap the maximum nutritional benefits. Now let's break down why these ingredients are so beneficial for your eyes. 1. Carrots. These orange beauties are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A nutrient that's essential for good vision and preventing night blindness. 2. Spinach and kale. These leafy greens are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. 3. Oranges. This citrus fruit provides a hefty dose of vitamin C, helping to protect your eyes from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. 4. Ginger. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger can help reduce eye strain and fatigue, making it easier for your eyes to stay comfortable and focused. 5. Beets. Beets are rich in nitrates, which improve blood flow to the eyes, ensuring that they receive essential nutrients and oxygen. By incorporating this juice into your daily routine, you're giving your eyes a powerful boost of nutrients that can help improve your vision, reduce eye strain, and protect against age-related eye problems. Making this juice a regular part of your diet is easy. Whip up a batch in the morning to enjoy with your breakfast, or have it as a refreshing, nutrient-packed snack during the day. But remember, juicing is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to maintaining good eye health. There are other habits you can adopt to support your vision, such as 1. Practice the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break to look at something 20 feet away. 1. This simple habit helps reduce eye strain, especially if you spend a lot of time in front of screens. 2. Wear sunglasses. Protect your eyes from the sun's harmful UV rays by wearing sunglasses whenever you're outdoors. 2. UV exposure can increase the risk of cataracts and other eye problems. 3. Maintain a balanced diet. In addition to juicing, make sure you're eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to provide your eyes with a wide range of nutrients. A well-rounded diet is key to overall health, including your eyes. 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps prevent dry eyes, keeping them lubricated and comfortable. And there you have it, friends. A delicious and nutritious juice recipe that can help improve your vision and keep your eyes healthy for years to come. Remember, taking care of your eyes is essential for maintaining a high quality of life. So make sure to prioritize your eye health by incorporating this juice and other eye-friendly habits into your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might also benefit from this information. And here's a fun challenge for you. What's your favorite eye-healthy ingredient? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And while you're at it, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because I've got plenty more health-boosting tips and recipes coming your way. Keep juicing for better vision and a healthier you.